Hello, second grade. This is Mrs. McMartin. I want to do a quick video to show you guys how to talk it out. I misplaced my talking cubes that I normally use, so I'm going to do something that I've suggested that you do at your own houses because I'm pretty sure you guys probably don't all have the talking cubes. So I have my three colors right here of colored pencils, and I'm going to hold up each color as I talk out my T-chart. That way it matches the coordinating color on my T-chart, and it just is a little visual to help me remember where I'm at with my talking it out. So remember, when we're talking it out, we really want to stretch things out, add more details. We also want to use linking words when we get to our reds. Our reds are our supporting details. It's when we add more detail, and we want to practice using linking words like and also, and kind of connecting those sentences together. So I'm going to start talking this out, and I'm going to hold up my color as I talk it out. What are some reasons why Uno is the best game? First of all, when we're playing Uno, it usually means that we're spending time together as a family, and family time is important. We enjoy playing Uno during the holidays, and we spend lots of time talking and laughing while we play our Uno game. Also, Uno can be a game of luck. You get the cards that are in your hand, and they're a surprise. You don't always know what cards you're going to have. In our family, we call the mean cards the vicious cards. Lastly, Uno is easy to play. You can adjust the length of the game to make it a short game or a long game, and it's portable and can be taken anywhere. Clearly, Uno is the best game for a plethora of reasons. So that only took me a few minutes to talk out. If I'm not happy with the way it sounded the first time, I'm going to want to talk it out again. I suggest a minimum of 2 times to talk it out. As you're talking it out, I want you to record yourselves in your voice recorder app on your iPads. And then what you're going to do is you are going to listen to that voice recording while you're writing your rough draft. And for example, you might listen to your first sentence, which is your topic sentence, and then you're going to hit pause, write that down in your writing journal using your best handwriting, and then you're going to hit play, listen to the next sentence, hit pause, write that sentence down. So it helps you keep it organized so that you remember where you're at, and it makes sure that you're writing exactly what it is that you wanted to say when you were talking it out. So one of the things, you guys have 3 jobs to do between today and tomorrow. It's your talk it out, which only takes a few minutes, your rough draft, and with your rough draft, I want your nicest handwriting, and I would like you to color code it, and then you're going to edit and revise, preferably with a pen. If you have a pen in your house, or maybe like a black colored pencil, I want you to, or red colored pencil, I'm sorry, I want you to edit and revise. So you're looking for ways, how can you change your sentences to make them sound better? Can you add more detail? Do you need to take parts of your writing away that maybe don't make sense? Remember, when you read your sentences out loud, they need to make sense by themselves. If your sentence just says, first of all, family time, that's not a sentence. You need to really stretch those out. So don't forget to stretch your yellows out. The other thing that I'd like you to do is bring down that topic sentence into your yellow. So for example, first of all, one reason why Uno is the best game is because it allows me to spend time with my family. So I'm bringing my topic into my yellow to remind the reader, hey, this is my opinion. This is how I think and feel. This is why this game is the best game. So, lastly, what you're going to do is you're going to attach a picture of your T-chart, not your T-chart. You're going to attach a picture of your rough draft after it's color-coded and after it's edited and revised, and you're going to attach it in Google Classroom under the assignment that I create for it. Then you're going to click Mark as Done. This lets us know that you've done this. I highly suggest that you spend the next 2 days working hard on these 3 steps, because on Friday you're going to be doing a final draft, and I would I would really hate for you guys to not be caught up and then have a ton of writing to do on Friday. And that way, us teachers are able to see your rough draft before, and we can help you fix mistakes before you get to the final draft. The other thing that I wanted to talk about was, I forgot, it escaped my mind. I'm going to make another video with my rough draft and editing and revising and attach these on here. So I look forward to reading all of your guys' writing. Please make sure that please make sure you're using your nicest handwriting. The one thing I wanted to say was when you take your picture to attach it, it's very important that you take your iPad and you center it so that it's flat above your writing and it's not like tilted or leaned, because it makes it very hard when it's submitted to us. It makes it very hard for us to read it. So try your best to hold your iPad flat over your writing and then take the picture and submit it. That way it's easier for us to read. All right, you guys have a great day.